the underwear sauce. Ding, 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 ding. I fucking looked at a trash can and said, that's a bit sussy. I looked at my astronaut helmet and I go, what pizzas? Ah. And guess what? The boombox version is stop posting about Among Us. I'm tired of seeing it. My friends on TikTok send me memes, on Discord memes. I was in a server, right? And all the channels are just Among Us stuff. I show my champion underwear to my girlfriend, and a logo like, what the hell? I was like, hey babe, when the underwear I put the trash can, that's a bit sussy.
I'm back to the secret. Are you gonna try to get the hearts?
With the heart monkey blocks?
Yeah. But
They almost.
Where did they go?
Hurry, survive!
I made it here. Like 10,000 dragons.
No, 1,000.
Pew. Vicky, stop.
Ooh.
Mwah. Put that gun away. Okay.
I already did.
Do we summon the elephants?
Do you know the sound effect? Don't you remember?
Huh.
The rage table.
Woo! Wait, I see how did that will be what?
Ugh. I'm just trying to run up to a wall. This is interrupting me. Do you want to know something? Last Saturday?
Yes. Stop.
No. You take one, I take one.
No, there's a deadly.
And it just killed me.
And me. And like, it does a whole.
Nah. You took it?
I didn't get any.
Where is it?
At the end. Still. Why have I got it? A deadly spawn.
It's a deadly. Wait, a deadly did spawn. Yup, it did kill me. Just imagine a whole bunch of deadly waves spawn. Wait, hide your secret spawning soon. If I go there and it spawns, can I let you know what it is? Is it deadly?
If he spawns another cat, let me have it.
And I spawned
2 cats.
He said it would be the last Megatito who'd spawn.
Oh.
And yup, I got killed.
What a cat we walked.
Guess what? Yo mama's so old. When she played Hello Neighbor, her neighbors were the Flintstones. Wait, you know what the high tier secret is? It's a gold Chicotera.
Oh.
It gives 18.3 mil.
Oh, I want it.
Yup, it's a gold Chicotera.
Woo! Fuck this game.
Yo mama's so fat. She played Bandy and the ink machine, and we couldn't even cover her with ink. Yup, it disappeared. Too late. It's too late. Kai Sinet. up cowboy cussing it.
So,
You know what recently happened in 2026?
what?
Probably January. Obviously.
And
Kai Sinet
what?
quit streaming. Yep, Kai Sinet quit streaming.
No, he just streamed yesterday.
Kai Sinet streamed yesterday?
Yeah, not that one.
I know.
I hate when people
Oh,
tell me
You told me to shut up. Well, I don't shut up. I grow up. And when I look at you, I throw up.
You look at me and you not show up. Then I love you. Hi, that was actually a good one.
Oh, well. When I look at you, when I look at you, I see that burglars are even afraid of you.
No, it's not. Wait, burglars. Wait, sus, burglars. And you a burglar. And you a
I am not a burger, and plus, you can't even eat me.
Wait, you in my nose right
Your
now.
mama's so fat. In Pokemon Go, she was marked as a Pokestop.
Wait, your mama so fat? Really? Hold, so, top secret, hold
Yo mama
Wait,
so
hold down.
stupid.
Wait.
She tried to fuel her car with Vin Diesel.
Wait, your mama so fat. Really? Hold fight. Feel her go. But hold.
Yo mama.
Hold, and feel
Yo
go.
mama so
And
stupid.
hold, go. It's
She
a
thought
feel
Bendy from Bendy in the ink machine was a bendy straw.
Your mama so fat. Really? Hold. Stop. You're so that freak
Yo
up into
mama
a back.
so
Hold.
stupid. She tried to climb Mountain Dew.
Frankie, get those two. Get one of them. Can I have it? Will get one? Let me have it. Don't open it. Your mama so fucking dumb. Really think who double ocean is fucking sad. And
Yo
your
mama
mama
so
go on fake
short.
they
She
actually
uses
want
a
and they
fidget
pull.
spinner.
If
on the
we roll
freaking
all the way down
Ferris wheel.
inside a fakey.
Yo mama so fat. Not even the Hulk could smash her.
Your mama so fat, really. Godzilla, now around fake hole.
Yo mama so
Freaky.
ugly.
Can let me go?
Burglars break into her house to close the curtains.
Freaky, your mom's so fat. She jumped in the ocean. She said, "Where's all the water?"
Yo mama so stupid.
God, I
She
got
thought M&M was actual food.
Freaky, guess what?
What?
Your mom's so fat. The megalodon tried one body hook. Megalodon's like, "What the fuck? I see someone bigger than me." No.
Yo mama so
Your mom is so fat. She jumped in the ocean and cracked it out.
No.
Your mom's so
My
fat. She
turn.
made an
My
earthquake.
turn. Yo mama so fat.
Your mom's so ugly.
She
Police officers
beat
died.
Galactus in a world eating contest.
Your mom's so ugly. Thank God let me on this one.
Yo mama so ugly.
Let me do it.
Not even the Titans in Teen Titans Go could stop her.
Yo mama. Full daddy really. Hold. So daddy will stop in your mouth and then go. Use as a O.
Yo,
And tell you, fakey.
yo mama so fat. When she jumped into the water, not even any creature could eat her.
Yo mama's so fat. She saw a cat and said, "Hamburger." Your mom's so fat. She looked at a cat. She said, "Hamburger." Give me.
Yo mama so
she bought tickets to
the Super Bowl.
Xbox Live.
Your mama so fat.
Catch up. Your mom's so fat. She bought cereal in a bowl and some milk to the Super Bowl.
Yo mama so stupid. She brought a spoon
To the
to
Super
the
Bowl.
Super Bowl.
Your mom's so ugly. People looked at her and they instantly died. They didn't look at your mom. They looked at
so
you.
ugly. When you write her name in the death note, you kill yourself.
Joe. After all of that one. Your mom is so fat. She went on a bed or cracked in half.
Yo mama so freaking short. When she saw someone trying a cup challenge and wanted to do it herself, she accidentally fell in the cup.
Your mom's so skinny. She stepped on a crumb. The crumb
Yo
snapped in
mama
half.
so stupid.
Because
She
how
thought
ugly it was.
Overwatch was a Weight Watching group.
Mouse, my son. Your mama.
And my Lucky Block. Close Lucky
Fat.
Block. Close Lucky
You're
Block.
a whole sheep on a moon.
We're
And
not
who
done with the box. We're not
some
done with
off
the
a moon. And who pick up a asteroid and hit who towel. You thinking house. And who towel. Oh, stay intact.
Gotcha! Frankie, get the hot Lucky Block.
And the hot Lucky Box.
What?
I accidentally
And the wave didn't, and I didn't even get touched by a single wave.
Your neighbor.
Who's your mom? Jendale. The fuck? My mom kidding.
Who? Your neighbor.
When she tried to take a bath. Yo mama so short. When she tried taking a bath, she accidentally fell in the drain.
Wait, your
Guys,
mama
stop roasting.
so ugly.
Kai, shut up. Kai, you're so fat. I couldn't even call you fat because how fat you were.
Kai, yo mama so stupid. She thought Burger King was an actual king.
Trying to hit him?
Wait, you said I said most, and you said most, and I think it that most can't go first. And you say Mikey that whoa, muscle.
Kai,
I told you to the ground.
Kai, your mama's so stupid. She doesn't even know how much members are in Team 10.
Isn't it just 10?
Yeah, obviously 10.
Yeah. I think I can get that. I've been just holding Kai down. No phones, okay?
Hey, Miles. You got a plan?
No, hold. Hi, Frankie.
Hey, yo! You kicked me in the... You literally kicked me in the... Stop trying to make me sell
No,
stuff!
I'm not. I was not saying.
No! What are you doing?
Which one?
Dude, try. Don't try to hurt him.
I won't.
Don't try to
Hi,
hurt him.
Fatty.
Hey, don't try to hurt
Fatty,
him.
fatty.
You're batty, Fatty. You're a batty, Fatty. I'm holding myself. I'm holding myself.
That is not my
Ah.
bestie neighbor.
Ah! You really messed up. You done messed up.
You're not my blocky neighbor, Kai. Kai, yo mama so ugly. When she plays Roblox, she gets an instant ban.
For trying to. No, Kai, your mom's so ugly. She tried getting chat. They said, yo, are you an alien?
Whoa. Kai, yo mama so ugly. She's the reason why Sonic runs fast.
Game. I can make Kai's arms come off.
No, you can't. And plus, don't even try to break his bones or spill blood everywhere.
Oh,
Or else I'll tell your mother. Or else I'll tell mother on you.
Kai, you threw a phone.
Oh, your phone?
You.
Hey, Kai.
I found gum.
Hey, Kai.
You.
Miles, is this your alt or is this Kai's phone?
Kai's. Give me.
Kai, you want your phone?
No.
Here.
They could go off my bed.
Don't try to break it, idiot.
So I'll fly back from there.
Kai, yo mama's so stupid. When I told her to play Minecraft, she started making freaking mines.
Your mama so fat, really. Your mom's so fat. Minecraft.
Your mom's so fat she wanted to cut it.
Fall for a cake.
Kai, your mom's so fat.
Flower.
Kai, your mom's so fat she won the strongest steel thing, like steel pole. It snapped in half.
I still have this up phone.
You adopted.
Kai, yo mama's so short. Mario thought she was a Goomba.
That is true. Our mom is short. Well, my mom.
Yup.
Oh, sorry.
Kai, yo mama's so short. I told Kai, I told you, yo mama's so short. When Mario saw her, he thought she was a Goomba.
I fucking pee.
I didn't.
Kai,
I farted.
you farted on Kai?
Yeah, he hates it. See? I told you he hates it. I told you!
Oh.
Wait, it's okay. I can undo this. I will undo. Kai, yo, ain't no way fake is just fine.
Oh, get up! Get up!
Mama, you got some of my stinky feet.
Pick him up and go! Come on! You want to see my shoes?
Kai, so we can keep them like that. Like that.
Huh?
See how we can move my head.
Not allowed. What? Not
Yo
allowed.
mama's so stupid. When I told her to play Fortnite, she started making forts at night.
Your mama found that really.
Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah.
Gotta be golden.
Miles, I already got bored of that movie too. I got bored of K-pop Demon Hunters.
Same, gonna be golden.
But do you want to know something?
I'm just
Fortnite
saying
still
it's
loves it. Because you know what they did recently? They added all the
Gonna be
K-pop
golden.
Demon Hunters weapons
Why
into
funny
Blitz
with that?
Royale.
Gonna be
Also, by the
golden.
way,
Ouch!
well, do you want to know something?
Missed.
I missed.
That must be painful. Guys, a hustler may be sleeping too. He's sleeping.
Really is.
Gonna be golden. When are we gonna be golden? Well, I'm not hiding.
Miles.
I'm born to be. You got it.
Oh.
You missed. Gonna be golden.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, you lost all sense of life.
Oh.
Oh yeah, bite yourself. Gonna be golden. When are we gonna be golden? I'll be shining. Oh yeah, you wanna do a rest? Oh yeah, fake Western card. Ow, ah! He's giving me a back massage. That feels good. If I was you, I would not do that because it's You know, if I'm trying to sleep here. Dad, come here.
That was. I know that
No, it's
was.
Frankenstein, yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's Frankenstein you're touching, yeah. You do rest! Get up!
I
Did the admin just already end?
Watch out, Frankie.